This is Pydantic Data Transformation Services. All the links are included either here at the PyTest Cookbook or in the links below. And what we're going to have is a set of templates that we can see in the VS Code for getting an API. In this case, it is dummy JSON users API. If we click on that and open it up, there we see the data there. This is from dummyjson.com, where we can get various different APIs. And as we see, we get our nested structure here. If we just expand that out. And what we want to do is filter only certain fields. We don't want all of them. We're going to use Pydantic to filter them out, to apply Pydantic classes, to also apply validation, as well as also using some field level validators on a particular field. And if we just have a quick look at the database, the tables, we have a very first one here. I'm using a very nice little aspect of rich, traceback and install that will kind of give a nice traceback. But this is the information that we get back, and we're just going to be working with these ID, first name, last name, and email. And in the next few videos, we'll go through three use cases that go with increasing sophistication on using Pydantic.